Russia-Ukraine war in its fifth year with no end in sight. The countries are engaged in a dangerous battle. Moscow's ultimate aim is to target Ukraine's energy infrastructure, while Ukraine is also ready with its precision attacks. Ukrainian drones are flying deep into Russia, targeting its oil facilities. With US aid uncertain and peace talks stalled, Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky is preparing for a scenario with less American support, while trying to keep European aid flowing. More in our next report. Take a look.
Deadly aerial bombardments, coordinated barrages of drones and missiles, infrastructure reduced to rubble. The war between Moscow and Kiev shows no signs of dying down. Russia is systematically targeting Ukraine's energy infrastructure. Millions of Ukrainians now live with limited access to power. In Odessa, firefighters battle a blaze following a Russian strike. The blaze damaged houses and even reduced many to ashes. Meanwhile, Ukraine has also intensified its strikes across Russian territories. Kiev is taking a step-by-step approach. It is using long-range drones to target Russia's energy backbone, its oil refineries and depots. Zelensky says Kiev continues to focus on disrupting Moscow's energy network and will limit Russia's war potential. However, high-intensity wars rapidly consume ammunition and the clock is ticking. A lack of aid is making it difficult for Ukraine to hold its existing defensive lines. After spending much of the last year trying to win over Trump, Zelensky is now shifting strategy. The Ukrainian president is increasingly preparing for a future with less US support. The war-ravaged country is relying more on Europe. Zelensky is looking to partners like Turkey to host the next round of negotiations with Russia. Recently, Zelensky even criticized US Vice President J.D. Vance for saying that halting US defense aid for Ukraine and making Europeans pay for it is one of the things that he is proud of. Zelensky said that if Vance is proud of this, he is helping Russians and not strengthening America in any way. With stalled talks and a war that continues to drag on, Ukraine has announced plans to carry out army reforms. The decision comes as the Ukrainian army is facing problems with infantry shortages and the discharge of the longest-serving soldiers, 4 years into its grinding war with Russia. Despite an initial influx of volunteers, Ukraine's military has been significantly understaffed since the war began in 2022.